Hello students, good morning to all you. Today I am going to teach you Unit 2, Lesson number 4 of EVS, that is the food we eat. Okay? But have you ever wondered where all these come from? Do you wonder at it? No, na? Okay. Today we will learn this all. Okay? So tell me, how many meals do you eat in a day? Yes, how many meals do you eat in a day? Anyone tell me answer it? Yes? Very good. We have eat 3 times of meals. Good. We have eat 3 times of meals. Now tell me, when we have take 3 times of meals? Yes. Anyone? Yes, very good. In morning, breakfast. In afternoon, lunch. And evening time, we have a dinner. Very good. Now tell me, do you eat the same meals all the same time? Yes? No. We have not take same meals all the 3 times. Yes, na? Yes, very good. Today your mother cooks for you your favorite dishes. Yes, na? Yes. And you also enjoy it. Yes. Do you like to eat different type of foods? Yes, na? Let us start the lesson. Okay? See, here father and daughter, they talking to each other. Okay? What they are discussing? See, it is a Sunday morning. Aruna and her father are going to the supermarket. You know the supermarket like a DMart. Okay? Aruna's father asked to her, he is going to a supermarket, and say to her, do you want to come with him? That time that girl say, yes daddy. Aruna and her father are at the grain section. You know grains. Yes, in the supermarket, D-market, big bazaar, you went with your father and mother. Yes, na? That time you see there the grain section of the supermarket. There are the packets of cereals on a shelves. Maize, ragi, rice and wheat. Market, there are the packets of cereals on a shelves. Which type of the? There is all the grains is there. Yes. Maize, ragi, rice and wheat. See here the picture of the all types of grains. Maize, ragi, rice and wheat. Yes, ma'am. Aruna and her father buy rice and wheat. Let us see. I have 3 types of here some grains. Okay. Which one is this? Wheat. This one is a maize and this one is a rice. But just I have not, that is a ragi. So I am not showing you. This is the rice, this is the wheat and this is the maize. Do you understand? See, look like. This is a maize. This is a wheat. And this is a rice. Got it? Good. The next shelf has the pulses. There were different kinds of pulses, such as chickpeas, black grams, green grams, peas, soya bean and kidney beans. See pictures of these all pulses. First is the chickpeas, black gram, green gram, peas, soya bean and rajma. This all is a different type of pulses. Aruna and her father buy the chickpeas and black grams. Let us go to the dairy section. Now, says Aruna's father. See, in the dairy section, dairy products they are seen there. Which one is there? Milk, curd, ghee and paneers. Yes, na? Now, Aruna and her father now go to the frozen food section. In the frozen food section, that is a different section is in the supermarket and also Big Bazaar, D-Mart. We have seen, yes, more than time. Yes, very good. Now see, in frozen section, what type of the foods we have see there? Sometimes some fish, meat. Aruna's father buys some fish and chickens. Aruna and her father stop to buy some fresh vegetables and fruits. See, these are the picture of fruits and vegetables. Aruna likes carrots. Her sister likes apples. Aruna's father buys carrots and apple. He also buys them 2 lollipops. Now we have studied about the importance of the food. Do you know we have need of the food? Why we have need the food? What the food give us? Do you know about that? Yes, very good. Last year we have studied about it. Yes, very good. Food give us energy to work and play. Yes, na? Yes, very nice. Good, very good. You know, we having the 3 types of food regularly. Yes, 3 types of food. First is a energy giving food. Second, body building food. Third, protective food. These are the 3 types of food we have regularly having. Now we have studied about the importance of the food. Do you know we have need of the food? Why we have need the food? What the food give us? Do you know about that? Yes, very good. Last year we have studied about it. Yes, very good. Food give us energy to work and play. Yes, na? Yes, very nice. Good, very good. So, food help us to grow and remain healthy. You know about we have regular take a 3 time of meals. Yes, na? Yes, in a breakfast, in lunch and dinner. And we have not taking the same types of food. Body needs energy to work. It gets energy from foods such as rice, chapatis, bread, sugar, potato and banana. These foods are called energy giving foods. Butter, ghee, oil and other fatty foods are also energy giving foods. Pulses, meat, chicken, eggs, nuts and cheese helps to growth and repair the damaged tissues in our body. So these food are called a body building foods. It is a very important for us. Yes, na? Yes, very good. Now let us see. Third and important also food. Some foods protect the body from the diseases and help us to remain healthy. Fruit, vegetables and nuts are protective foods. Yes, the fruits, nuts and vegetables is a very important for us. See the type of the foods. This is a chart of type of foods. Okay, first is energy giving foods, body building foods, protective foods. In the energy giving foods, what the type of the foods here coming here? See, chapati, roti, bakri, rice, bread, sugar, potato and banana. In bodybuilding foods, pulses, meat, eggs, nuts, cheese. and protective foods. There are fruits, vegetables and nuts. This all these foods is very important for us. Next we have studied about that all the types of foods and what is important for that foods. Now we have studied about the good habits of eating. Okay, see, let us see. Good eating habits. Eat 3 main meals in a day. Never miss breakfast. Breakfast gives us energy to work and play through the day. We having the 3 types of food in the daily meals. Yes, na? Yes. The 3 types of food, and we have take the 3 types of these foods. In the morning time, that the breakfast. The breakfast is very important. The breakfast gives us to energy to work and play throughout the day. In the morning, when we have eat the breakfast, then we get the energy to work of a day. Okay. Next, second, eat different kinds of foods. Eat the different kinds of food. Don't only eat the same types of food. Okay. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Daily 1 fruits and different type of vegetable is very necessary for us. Next, always wash your hands with soap and water before and after eating. This is a very important. Before eating and after eating, you regularly wash your hands with the soap and water. Dirty hands carry the germs which is a cause the illness. Because you know about that, if your hand is dirty, that is the carry on germs and that causes of illness. Not eat foods that are kept open or sold by roadside vendors. Very important. Don't eat the foods that are kept on open, sold by the roadside vendors, because they are not close that on that pots. That like so that's why the flies and the dust settle on the food, and the food can carry germs that the causes of illness. Read a book or watch television while eating. When we have eating food, that time don't read a book and also watch the television. And now you are taking the one hand in a hand a mobile and second hand you are eating. Yes, na? That is a very bad for habit of eatings. Okay? Chew your foods well before the swallowing. Do not waste food. Drink clean water. Wash fruits and vegetables well before eating. Rinse your mouth after you eat. Chips, cakes, sweets, chocolates and colas are not healthy foods. Do not have them often. Brushing your teeth before sleeping. Brushing teeth removes the food particles from the teeth. This all is our good habits for eating times. A sprout is produced when the baby plants inside the seeds start to grow. Sprout of green grams and the Bengal grams are good for health. You know sprout mother keeping in home, na? Yes. That sprout is a very healthy for our health. Now see, let us. Food gives us energy to play and growth and also work. Do you understand this lesson? Thank you.